One of the most prevalent, critical, and costly challenges in healthcare today is the fact that most patient record systems and most of the digital solutions that medical providers and insurers use every day don't talk to each other. That means hundreds of thousands of doctors, nurse practitioners, and other health professionals spend hours a day manually sending, receiving, reviewing, and re-entering data. It creates untold problems with patient care and costs the industry $300 billion a year. Historically, our solutions have served our legal, financial, and manufacturing customers for years. We just so happen to have the right answer to the collective, enduring healthcare issues that plague the industry today. If I could put Consensus Cloud's solutions' reason for being into one sentence, it's that we are uniquely positioned to relieve the healthcare industry of this burdensome workflow problem.